So, what's your full name?
My full name is Aisha bint Abu Bakr.
Okay, what's your nickname?
My nickname is Aisha.
Okay, Aisha.
Yes.
So there is a famous Bengali song. Have you heard the song?
No, sorry.
আয়শার মায়ের পয়সা হারাইছে
Just
সারা দিনে সারা রাতে ঘুম পারে নাই কান্দি কারাইছে. Okay, this is a famous song. Okay, Aisha, right? So, what do you do?
I am a student.
You are a student. Okay, that's fine. So we learned some ways and ways how to speak English, right?
Yes, sir.
We learned some ways how to speak English. Okay, so today I will learn from you how can you say or how can you express your ideas using present simple tense. Okay, so
We can express our present activities or general habitual universal activities by using present simple tense.
okay, that's fine. So what are the signal words for present simple tense?
Occasionally, normally, every day, every week, every month, etc.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the sentence structure?
The scientific structure is subject plus verb base plus object.
Okay, if subject third person singular number.
Is or yes at the end of verbs.
Okay, we put s or yes at the end of verb. Okay, that's fine. And what is the question structure?
Do or does plus subject plus verb base plus object plus question mark.
Okay, that's fine. So make a presentation using the simple present tense.
Okay, so.
Okay, say so please.
Assalamu alaikum. It's truly a great honor for me to be here today. I think all of you are very happy and well enough by the grace of Almighty. I am also pretty fine as well. It's a tremendous privilege for me to tell something in front of you. But I'm not a very prominent speaker, so please pardon me if I have any mistakes during my speech. Now I tell about my daily activities by using present simple tense. I wake up early in the morning, then I do ablution, then I pray morning prayer, then I take some foods and drink water, then I study, complete my homework, then I get ready for school, then I go to school, then I take some lunch. Take lunch, then I prayer.
Okay, you say the prayer,
Yes,
and after that,
so then I return my home. Then I praise my place. Then I take shower. Then I take some mist. Then I go to playground for play. Then I return my home. Then I prayer evening. Then I study sometimes. Then I watch television and browse mobile phone. And then I play with my brother. Then take supper. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m.
okay, that's fine. So, okay, so you may say some person that means তুমি কি প্রতিদিন বিদ্যালয়ে যাও?
Oh, do you go school every day?
Do you go to school
Every
every day? Okay, সে কি প্রতিদিন এখানে আসে?
Does she or he come here every day?
Okay, আমি সকালবেলা হাঁটি.
I work morning.
I work in the morning.
I work for a morning.
Morning. Okay, বাবা সকালে প্রতিদিন হাঁটে.
Father work early in the morning every day.
Okay, মা প্রতিদিন রান্না বান্না করেন.
Mother cooks every day.
Okay, আর তুমি কি সকালের নাস্তা বানাও?
So do you make breakfast?
Okay, আমি বিছানা বানাই.
I make beds.
Okay, অর্থাৎ বিছানা গোছান, রাইট? বিছানা বানানো মানে বিছানা গোছানো. Okay, so তারা কি কবিতা আবৃত্তি করে?
Does he do poem?
Do they recite poem?
Do they recite poem?
আমি কোরআন তেলাওয়াত করি।
I recite Quran.
I recite the
Quran.
Quran. I recite the
The Holy Quran.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.